I built this website starting with just one prompt, and look, a lot of tools can generate nice looking websites now, but the impressive part with this is that it's actually running on WordPress. So instead of getting some static AI site, you're getting a real WordPress site you can add plugins to, publish content on, and grow over time. And I'm going to show you how to build the first version of your site in just a few minutes and see what it looks like for free before paying to launch it. And if you're worried WordPress is too complicated, stay with me because the experience is completely different now. Let me show you. So click the link below and you'll be taken to WordPress.com, and this is the platform we'll be using to build our site. So just hit start my site and you can create your account with email or just do a single sign on with Google, Apple, or GitHub here. And once you've signed in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard here. And what's different about WordPress.com is that this is managed WordPress hosting. That means their team takes care of all of the heavy lifting like hosting, updates, security, patches, performance, so that you can actually focus on running the site. And that's what's different between WordPress.com and other WordPress self-hosting solutions you might find online. And with WordPress.com, you can actually run multiple sites. So the login you created is for your sort of dashboard or global account. And then you can run multiple sites within that dashboard from one nice unified interface. Okay, so now let's create our first site with AI in a few minutes. So just go to add new site and go to create with AI. And here you're just going to describe the site you want to create in plain language, and you can give as little or as much detail as you want, and it's just going to make it for you. So I'll give it a simple prompt like create a website for AI Auto Pros, an automation agency that helps small businesses. This is just an example. Say you ran an automation agency, and you can see this is just like 2 sentences that they want to save time, improve marketing, follow up with leads. That's what we help people do, and streamline operations, make it modern, professional, include sections for services, benefits, how it works. It's just basic plain English like, hey, this is kind of what you want your site to look like. You can again give more detail if you want, and then just hit the arrow. Now, the next thing is it's going to ask you some questions to help you refine your input. Like, what should the tagline be? If you have one, give it. If not, say, you could say something like, help me make one. Like if you haven't even thought of a tagline for your business, right? And let's just pick number 3. And what specifically do you want to serve? Local small businesses. Let's say we only serve like local small businesses like plumbers and things like that. Again, you can enter whatever you want. Any region, this is, let's just say New York City, even though an automation agency could be global, obviously, right? So first is fine. So it's just asking you a bunch of questions, and you can actually skip this step if you don't want to do this. The AI is just helping you refine your inputs, but if you really want, you could just skip this whole step. And just like that, it's going to be making our site. And in a few minutes, you're going to get your site back just like this. And so you can see that it actually built out everything, all the layouts, it has all the copy, it all makes sense, right? You can see a contact form. And if we actually go out here, we can actually see all the pages it made. It made a benefits page. It made the blog like we talked about, the contact page, home, everything. So you see all of these pages and you didn't write a single word of copy. Again, you could have given it more copy and everything else if you wanted to give that up front. But here we just created this with one prompt. And of course it's not perfect, but that's not the point. The point is we just got started in under 5 minutes, and now we can just easily tweak this. And to do that, it couldn't be any easier. So one option you have is to just literally just click and type whatever you want if you want to make simple changes. Or if you want to make bigger changes, you can actually just ask the AI to make it. So here on the right hand side, you can see what do you want to do next. You can customize colors, change the page layout, choose new fonts, add a new page, and you can even ask what else can you do. So really anything you want the AI to do, it can do for you, just like if you were working with a designer right in front of you. Okay, so let's say we want to add a section to this homepage here. And again, we can do pretty much anything by asking it. So let's just say something like add a resources section to my homepage with some free templates I offer. And so with that, it's just one prompt and it should be starting to work on that. It's thinking. And I just want to share like my experience with WordPress in the past, right? So I've been using WordPress for over 20 years. And I moved away from it, not because it wasn't powerful, but because of all the technical headaches I was having. Like I used to have problems with keeping it updated and hosting and just keeping things all secure. One time I remember I was actually going to a show, and 2 days before the show, the site got hacked and replaced by a meme. And it wasn't WordPress's fault. It's just I didn't keep it all updated because I was hosting it myself. And so I just moved away from WordPress because it was just so much more complicated back then. And even building sites, because now you got AI adding a section for me in literally just a prompt, whereas before I would have to get developers to help me change things and things would break constantly. And so that old WordPress experience is what I moved away from, and this is just so refreshingly different now, which is actually really impressive how far WordPress has came. But yes, it just added the resources section, as we can see here, and again, you can use this to add and change anything on your site. And if you want to flip out the images, you can actually just edit them with AI, and you can just tell AI what to change in this, like replace with a laptop instead, a MacBook, and AI will just regenerate this image for you and make the changes. And just like that, it just flipped out the image. I just described it and it just edited the image for me, and I just hit save and apply, and there it is. But of course, you can just replace the image. You can upload your own image. You can upload something from your phone. You can just get AI to generate images from scratch. And you can even get free photos from stock libraries that are built in and that they have access to, like pixels and whatnot. So a lot of different options if you want to flip out your images, of course. And again, you're doing all of this for free without paying for anything yet. You can literally design the site, see if you like it first. And so basically you just keep iterating on your site until you're happy. And if you want to preview how it looks on all devices, because of course you want it to look good on phones, tablets, desktop, and that's all built in for you. All the designs the AI makes will be responsive, so it'll look good on all devices. And you can just double check that and preview it. And when you're ready to launch the site, just hit launch. And this is when you do need to choose a plan, and just hit choose a plan. And then you can see the plans start as little as $4 a month, and you can just choose the plan that makes sense for you. And what's cool now is previously with WordPress.com, plugins were only available, I believe, on the business plan, but now all plans have plugins, and I'll show you more about that in the next section. So just choose your plan, and then it's going to ask you if you want to get a domain or use one you own, or you can just skip and use the temporary WordPress subdomain if you want. So let's just skip it for now. Just complete your checkout and your site will be launched. And if we go back to our sites, we'll see our website right here. And if we visit it in incognito, we can see it live on the internet just like that. And everything works, and you can click through it and it works, and there's even a form. And once you update, you actually get access to all of the powerful WordPress features that make this so much more than a static site with no backend. WordPress is a full CMS, and 43% of all websites run WordPress, everything from the White House to Harvard. So basically, like 1 in 2 websites you visit is probably running on WordPress. This means that you're building on one of the most tested and proven platforms with a ton of support that'll help you grow your business over time, unlike a static page. So it has a ton of features, starting with plugins. And again, now plugins are available on all paid plans, and plugins let you add functionality to WordPress, and there's 50,000 plugins, everything from SEO to e-commerce to booking and scheduling, events, calendar, social. Basically anything you need to add functionality to your site will be in this plugins directory here, and you can just add things with just a single click here. And it's going to install it and probably run you through a setup depending on the exact plugin that you configured. But that's how easy it is. Now, arguably just as powerful is the fact that WordPress is also a blogging platform, and that's really how it started out. And so creating blog posts is a great way to get traffic to your site, because at the end of the day, that's the whole point of this, right? And what's really cool here is you can even get AI's help now to write those posts. So again, in our example, we target a lot of small businesses. So we might say something like, write a short article about 5 AI automations every dental office needs. Let's give this a shot. And then if we hop back over to our posts, We can see it right there. It just created the post for us. And of course, we got to clean it up a little bit and add some images and whatnot. But we can get AI's assistance with that too. But that's already done 75% of the work for you right away. And one other thing I really like is the AI helps you understand how things are set up and how things works. So for example, I showed you there were contact forms. So you might ask something like, where do I see my contact form responses? So you might have that question and let's say you didn't know where you're supposed to look. And so here you can ask the AI anything you want and it'll tell you, head to Jetpack Forms in your dashboard and click the responses tab and that's where you find it. So it just told us. So again, you could ask any question if you're not sure how something works within WordPress itself. And everything I showed you is just scratching the surface. There's just so much more that you can grow into. Like for example, you even get a mobile app with it so you can manage your site and respond to posts and even write posts. And again, those are just things you're not going to get with some static AI website builder. So that's how easy it is to launch a WordPress site now. The AI builder gets the first version of your site created quickly, but the bigger point is that you're not building a static AI website with nowhere to go. You're building on WordPress. You can add plugins, publish blog posts, manage your content, and really improve the site over time. Here, you're building something that can actually grow with your business. That's why this feels different from the WordPress I remember. The old WordPress was powerful, but it also came with a lot of friction. Setup, updates, security, maintenance, and all those little things that broke and suddenly needed a developer. This version gives you a much easier experience while still keeping the power of WordPress underneath. So if you've avoided WordPress or moved away from it because it felt complicated, I think this is worth trying. Use the link below, build the first version of your site, and see what it creates, and only upgrade when you're ready to launch. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more AI tools to help you grow your business faster. Speaking of which, check out this video YouTube recommended specifically for you. I'll see you in there.